more really big deals going on right now from RENOGY with a huge discount on their 3000W 12V Pro pure sine wave inverter. Now this baby's got EcoSleep mode built right in, which is really nice, very low wattage usage, and you can output at 6000 watts for surge on this. Pretty nice setup. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. Get an additional discount on top of the price going on right now for this or actually any other RENOGY products. Use the links in the comments in the description. You can get over to this page, get that good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So let's take a closer look at the 3000W Pro pure sine wave inverter from RENOGY. Now this is 3000 watts and it's built for 12-volt systems, and it has pure sine wave inverter, which is really great for all your devices. Make sure that whatever you're powering isn't going to be damaged. That's why pure sine wave is so important. Transform power with safety and adaptability. Peak boost at 6000 watts of power, which is going to be really great for systems that might need a little bit of an extra boost to get going. And it has continuous 3000 watt stable power, which is a lot. With inverter pre-charging, dual polarity reverse connection protection, with of course the highlight being EcoSleep mode, which is really nice, and it's going to have less than 10 watt consumption in idle mode. It's something you really got to think about, especially if you have a small 12-volt system. You don't want high idle wattage going on with these, so the low, less than 10 watt idle is ideal. So you got 6000 watt peak boost for inductive loads. Now we're talking about when you're running things like air conditioners and things like that. This RENOGY P2 Pro 3 kilowatt inverter delivers peak wattage up to 6000 watts, being able to handle those inductive loads. It accommodates surge rating of inductive loads on these air conditioners and things like that, so you don't get unexpected shutdowns. Really easy to mount these in back seats and enclosed spaces. Cooling fans for semi-truck back seats and enclosed spaces efficiently circulate air, preventing heat buildup and protecting inverters while extending their lifetime. So it's got built-in cooling fans, gonna help this last a long time for you. And you can safeguard your boat trips because it's got built-in GFCIs right in it. Head out on your boat trip with confidence, equipped with a reliable inverter because this has GFCI protections. Keep your system safe. And let's talk more about the inverter pre-charging for smooth startup and safe operation. Now this pre-charging tech ensures smooth, controlled startup, protecting your inverter and battery from harmful peaks during current surges. And it's got dual polarity reverse protection for effortless power connection and avoids issues that might come up if you're less experienced. RENOGY's dual polarity reverse protection prevents connection errors when identifying positive and negative polarity. And you got that eco mode for energy savings built right into this. The Pro Series inverter consumes half that of other brands. Energy saving feature can save you up to 400 watt hours to 72 watt hours over just a couple days. That's a lot of power that adds up over time. So that means you're saving a lot of power that's adding up over time. Seamless management with real-time monitoring and remote control. Now, the DC RENOGY Home app is really great, and you got this remote control here that is really great to use as well. Simplify your daily routine with convenience with these remote controls and apps. Operate your appliance from the comfort of your seat, offering seamless home automation and effortless living. And for me, that means efficiency at work. I don't need to stop what I'm doing. I can easily check my system, make adjustments as needed right from where I'm working. This is one of the higher discounted items going on right now. As you can see, there's quite a bit of discount, and you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.